Hi everyone, welcome. Today, Kate Bird Love Mystery Story episode 15. Yeah, 15. Okay, so let's get started. We can do it. Okay. So we were in the sunset coach and we need to figure something. Okay. So what do you think this cottage has to do with my sister's disappearance? Well, I'm not sure just yet, but it seems to have a connection between Johnny and Coral. Looking around the room, you notice something you didn't see before. Jewel, I wonder what that is. You point to a small object sitting in the corner of the room. You and Jewel run to the corner and look at the object. What is it? A wooden chest, a suitcase, a treasure box. A suitcase. I wonder who this suitcase belongs to. As Jewel picks the suitcase up, the lid fell open. Look, there's something inside it. You lean over and pick up the little dollhouse that was hidden inside. You and Jewel go back to the fireplace and set the house down on the floor between you. Do you think a little girl left her dollhouse here? Maybe. So, it definitely looks like a dollhouse of some sort. As you and Jewel study the dollhouse, you notice something odd about it. Is it just me, or have I seen this house before? Before you can think about it further, Jewel draws your attention to the fireplace. Well, that wood didn't last very long. Wanna come out and get some more wood with me? Sure, buddies. I want to get another look at that coast below us. Following Jewel outside, you can't help but wonder what Coral is doing right now. I hope she's on her way home right now. Suddenly you realize you haven't called to see if Coral has made it home yet. Your phone out of your pocket. Wait a minute. You text your mom to see if Coral is home. Hi Mom, did Coral make it home yet? While you wait on your mom's reply, you look at across the glistening water. I could look at the beautiful sight every day for the rest of my life. Ding! Looking down, you see that your mom has replied. No sign of Coral yet. Sighing, you close your phone and put it back in your pocket. Coral, where are you? Watching the seagulls flying through the sky,